संतोख विचारो, सत संतोख विचारो, हाल विच इन वस्तु पेयो, हाल विच इन वस्तु पेयो, हाल विच इन वस्तु पेयो। अमृत नाम ठाकर का पयो, अमृत नाम ठाकर का पयो, आ, 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 अमृत नाम ठाकर का पयो, अमृत नाम ठाकर का पयो, जिसका सब आधारो, जिसका सब आधारो, हाल विच इन वस्तु पेयो, हाल विच इन वस्तु पेयो, सत संतोख विचारो, सत संतोख विचारो, हाल विच इन वस्तु पेयो। हाल विच तिन वस्तु पयो, सत संतोख विचारो। मंदावनी महला पंजवा। This shalok comes at the end of the compilation of Dhan Dhan Sri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, and Sri Guru Arjan Dev Ji, who has compiled the Sri Guru Granth Sahib, says, Thal vich, in this dish I have put 3 ingredients: Sat, Santokh and Vichar. Sat is the truth. All this dish contains is the truth. Santokh, contentedness, the ability to be content. Vichar, vicharo, the ability for Sikhs into the future to contemplate upon these words, to discuss these words, to get advice from these words. Amrit Naam Thakar ka payo. Into these 3 ingredients, I have poured the nectar of Vaheguru Naam, jiska sabse adaro. Vaheguru Naam is the support of all beings. I have mixed those 3 ingredients with the nectar of Vaheguru Naam. Je ko khave, je ko punche, tiska hoye adaro. Whoever partakes from this dish, that person attains emancipation. Sometimes there's a discussion which takes place. Why didn't Guruji's put the Sri Guru Granth Sahib in a topical fashion, so at least we could understand what he was talking about? No. A very far-sighted decision. The Sri Guru Granth Sahib should be placed into rags. Indication, Gurbani should be sung. Vichar, contemplation, as you gain emancipation, as your level of spirituality rises, Even interpretations of Shabads which you did earlier in your life start taking a different meaning altogether. The Sri Guru Granth Sahib is not logic. It is spirituality. Logic we can deal with our minds. Spirituality we deal with our spirit. So we can contemplate on the words, we can do vichar. But also remember, somewhere else in the Guru Granth Sahib it says, don't get stuck to just attaining knowledge. Knowledge, just the attainment of knowledge is useless. Pad gaddi ladi hai. You can read all the books in the world, yet you can be very stupid where wisdom is concerned. Wisdom comes with Naam Simran. Wisdom comes with looking at those three very salient features of this lifetime: Sat, Santokh and Vichar. And most importantly, Amrit Naam Thakar ka payo, jiska sabse adaro. Even if you do not contemplate on the Sri Guru Granth Sahib at all, but you are doing your sadhana, you are doing Naam Simran, you are doing Path, and Akhand Path starts here every Wednesday. Bhog is done every Saturday. What is the reason for it? The reason is, come and sit by your Guruji and listen to Path, listen to Gurbani. Don't start thinking about the logic of it. Just sit down and get yourself completely immersed in it. So let us all do this Shabad together. Sat Santokh Vicharo, Amrit Naam Thakar ka payo, Amrit Naam Thakar ka payo, jiska sabse adaro. जेको खावे जेको पुंचे तिसका होए अधारो, तिसका होए अधारो. Whoever partakes from this dish, that person attains emancipation. एह वस्त तजी न जाई, नित नित रख उर्धारो. You cannot do without this dish. If you think you can lead your whole life without this dish, you are mistaken, because then you will be guruless. So have no doubt, you do need this dish. You do need these ingredients. You do need the vitamins and proteins that are being provided for your spirit through this dish that has been given to us. एह वस्त तजी न जाई, नित नित रख उर्धारो. तम संसार चरण लग तरिया, तम संसार चरण लग तरिया. सब नानक ब्रह्म पसारो, सब नानक ब्रह्म पसारो. हाल विच इन वस्तु पेयो, हाल विच इन वस्तु पेयो. सत संतोख विचारो, सत संतोख विचारो. हाल विच इन वस्तु पेयो, हाल विच इन वस्तु पेयो. थाल विच तिन वस्तु पईओ. My Bapuji, my first guru, used to tell me that the prashad that we have coincides with this particular Mandavani Mahala Panjwa. Prashad is made out of ghee, sugar and flour, wheat flour. The three ingredients: wheat, sugar, flour, sat, santokh and vichar. Amrit naam Thakar ka payo. We put pavitra jal into it to make prashad. So remember that when we are partaking of prashad, Guru ka prashad, we are actually digesting a little bit of this vast ocean of Gurbani that we have. That is the significance of taking prashad. It coincides with this Mandavani Mahalla Panjma. Tam sansar charan lag tariye, sab nanak Brahm pasaro. Getting back to the Lord's feet, this dark world ocean is crossed. Nanak says everything is an extension of Vaheguru Paramatma. Tam sansar charan lag tariye, tam sansar charan lag tariye, sab nanak Brahm pasaro, sab nanak Brahm pasaro. Thal vich tin vastu payo, thal vich tin vastu payo, sat santokh vicharo, sat santokh vicharo. Thal vich tin vastu payo, thal vich tin vastu payo, sat santokh vicharo. Amrit naam Thakar ka payo, Amrit naam Thakar ka payo, jiska sab se utaro. Thal vich tin vastu payo, thal vich tin, thal vich tin, thal vich